we start replacing those kids. Ladies, get busy! We're gonna be laying some eggs tonight!
No, stop! No, no.
Um,
Raiden Angry Bird sounds. Raiden Angry Bird
oh, okay,
sounds.
yeah. Okay, restart.
Raiden. No, we're not restarting. No, it's too late now.
No,
Alright.
restart.
We have this document where we're gonna rank each one. We can't change it after we put it down. So we're gonna start. You're gonna pay attention, right, Rodney?
Yep.
You gonna stop playing R6?
Nope.
Alright.
Are you tired of ads ruining
Fuck!
your online experience? Go to privacyadblocker.com and
Oh yeah. This is peak content right here. Alright. That was the red sound. What placement do you think that should go in? What placement do you think that'll go in? Wow, that's real nice. That's real nice. I agree too. Yeah, I really agree. 4 is a good placement.
Who said that?
Me!
Okay.
You don't even care about this tier list. You're not an Angry Bird fan like me.
No.
You know what? This is gonna be angry.
No.
You know what? This is gonna be rating Angry Birds, but now it's gonna become me playing Angry Birds.
Okay, guys, I'm ready now. I just got done with the match, 7-3, because I'm just like that, but still lost because the
Oh,
team
we're
was
still
just
gonna.
trash.
We're,
Today's
we're
music
gonna.
was trash.
What? So we are gonna rate the Angry Birds now, cause I just got on Angry Birds too.
Nah. Angry
Let me play
Birds for
level. Let me play
little
level. Let me play level.
kids.
Let me play level. Let me
Play
play
level?
level. Let me play level. Hold up. What the fuck?
Play it.
Ah! God damn, Randy,
Play it.
play!
Why is there so many pop-ups?
I don't
What is
know.
that?
I don't know, but I play this game a lot.
I can tell. Restall it? Reinstalling all of them is crazy, Mike.
I know this game's not that hard. The older Angry Bird game was harder, but it's on my phone. I don't need no power up. Come on, come on,
You
come
sure?
on. Yeah, it's easier. I call this 9/11. Oh God, they got nothing on me. They got nothing on me. They got nothing on me. Let's go. What did this one do? What did he do? Why is it?
Did you
It's
click?
still a pig. You know what? Let me show. Let me show him this bird real quick. Let me show him this bird real quick. Not this bird. Let me show him this. I didn't fly. How do I get out of this game? I'm mad now. We'll go back to Rated Angry Birds.
No.
Well, I'll do the first couple on my own. Alright. Alright. Oh. Okay. I get it. Alright. 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 You
Yeah.
know.
Uh-huh.
You know. The Blues? They're going pretty low on the tier. I mean, on the list. That was too. Why you give me that? You can have that. You already touched it, bitch. Oh. Yeah, they're going on 9. They're too high pitched. Hate those high pitchers.
What?
Whoa.
You might hear
All
him.
right. All right. Understandable. Have a nice day. All right. All right. Chuck?
You forgot the pickles.
Huh?
Okay, what's going on? You put blue as 9?
Yeah.
What does he sound like? How bad is he? Yeah, play it back to me. You put that as 9? You
Yeah.
racist.
What do you think it should be at?
I don't know. You're the you're the export. You're the egg. You're the egg sport. I'm not gonna laugh. I'm not gonna laugh at my joke.
Okay, Chuck.
Chuck Norris.
Pretty iconic. Yeah,
No,
not too iconic. So he goes in 6. Now, Bomb on the other hand.
bomb. Let's go and do the bomb.
Okay. No, I don't care about the Bomb is at number 3. Bomb's number 3. No cap. No cap. No, Matilda.
Switch to
Ah, good. You know, the only thing that ruins it is the egg sounds to me for me. 5. Matilda. Oh, she shits out an egg. What the skibbity? Alright. Alright. Okay. Alright. Alright. Okay. Okay.
Lemonade, alright.
Yeah, I can't find a way to make this tier list entertaining. Yeah, Hal's getting like a chance.
Cause I'm not in it, that's why. Boy.
Those were my exact words in my That's Not My Neighbor video. Literally, that's so Sigma.
What?
Yeah, I said don't move stuff, but like, Bubbles.
Well, put that one all the way in the bottom just because of his looks.
Don't you remember what the video is? We're rated by their sounds, not their looks.
Oh.
Idiot.
What?
Hit me with big old bitties.
I think that one should be on very top.
Bubbles? He got like eye infection. Oh no. I have no clue. I have no clue.
Okay, why are you moving this around so much?
I have no clue.
Yeah.
I have no clue.
What do
I
you mean?
literally have no clue. What?
Yeah, that's number one.
Sick. Did you just leave? Don't need him. Don't need him. Start hearing that sound. You already know where you're going. Start hearing the sound. Oh, you already know. You already know. You already know. W tier list right here. You know what? So good. So good. Alright. Tier list right there. So, I'm not gonna... I'll end the video once I beat this level. Don't worry. I'll beat it first try. The other time did not count at all. You know, I don't know how these birds work. Not because I'm not skilled at the game or anything. See, all of them died. That's how goated I am at this game. Yeah, I still have no idea what you do, but you're gonna do something. You're gonna make a difference. See? What I say? You made a difference. Alright? Goated piggy! Go beat their ass, Terrence. Where's that duck coming from? Let's go. This is the end of the video. Let's go.
No, they stole our kids. I mean, who does that? Have you ever stolen anyone's children? Huh? Have you? I mean, you look like you would.